Hi, good morning to everyone. I'm Radhasri, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce and Dr. SNS Radhasri College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about international business. In that international business, we are see about the topic particularly evaluation matrix. Let me go to about the evaluation matrix. Matrix for evaluating international market. When international opportunity make locking, how do you know which opportunities are worth chasing and which other have a matrix you need to make a confident decisions? Many expansion stages, companies consider entering into a new international market at some point and another during of the journey. Typically, the initial thought being when a company starts seeking in the first high quality opportunities coming in from abroad or they are closing their first international deal. This is an existing moment becoming of the international market lead within the built how can be used very options. Such investment requirement can vary in limited of young and typical capacities to strengthening. The younger companies start exploring of the new international market. In that way, the tools of their countries evaluating the selections. Young companies starting exploring new international market, it is important to do to the strategies they can be meaning the environment of the investment need to planning out of the clear expansion goal and properties measuring so that the companies can learn from the experience and the maximum the likelihood of their success. In the success growth of the long run is also a field of the capable to protect the respective leading test to exposing the environment to do your needs. In that way, it can be exposing of the strengthening to growth. In that way, the role of the selecting evaluating criteria. In the criteria must have a measurables addressing of the expenditure set forth of a market extension of strategies and the choosing expenditure period. More show the metrics choosing all the stages to evaluate the protections of the growth in the considering of the level of matrix. In that way, market level investment considering more potentials of the growth competitions to carefully to adopting the get depending in the stages of the four can be utilizing their capacities levels of their international business. In that way, matrix should be considering to how should can be planned for the year level of interesting trading of the market competitiveness of strengthening the level of interest in the key relationship modes and the number of opportunity in the pilot transaction in market requirement of logo wing customers wing prioritized of the production wings competitiveness in market metrics to lead the opportunity conversion rate with the winning rate top line result resource can be booked customize the revenues existing plan of the year recording in the way only take way of their competitive winning. In that way, capacity of the effectiveness of customer to utilizing the cost investment mutuals to return on the investment plan of the international business. In that, partner capable of the performance to potential partner international quality partner signing in the co-marketing of international competitions in the general leading opportunities and winning partner gathering of their wings. In the providing of the teams, which can be explained in the making judgment on how it is doing earlier and faster so it can quickly other appropriation of to get a right to the starting of target market level in the establishment of regular process to review the year restoring of based of the new initiative take faster patterns to continuous improvement In that way, it can be interesting in the learning generation of the additional resource looking in more typical of tips international expansions in the way of the sales business development to the growth of when should company can consider global expansions the best routine to market for international expansions and the factors for global expansion in a successful way. Thank you.